These are my new glasses. I wanted something that was a little bit larger than my last pair. These are still basically good, although these are an updated prescription. One of the reasons I went with Ray-Ban frames, other than the classic Wayfarer design, is the quality. You get these in your hands and you can just tell that they are excellent, excellent quality. Using my old glasses, I can tell you that this particular model number is the 5356. The reason why I picked these specifically because they were two-tone. They were black on the outside and they are clear on the inside. Let me see if I can get you close up. Let me put on my other glasses. Yeah, you can see it. You can see the two-tone where it's a very, very solid black on the outside, and then as you turn it, you can see the clear inner side of the glasses. The reason why I wanted that is because, as you can see, as I turn my head, it is a lot less severe than the solid black. When you have the solid black frames, that's a very, very severe look, and having the clear on the inside softens the look quite a bit. See, now you can really see the difference. You can see the difference between having solid black glasses and glasses that have got a little bit of clear behind the black. It absolutely does make for a much less severe look. Now that I see myself on the zoom out in the monitor, I honestly think that you can see what I'm talking about. The inner clear absolutely does soften the look up. Just so that you know, I got these frames on my own. Ray-Ban did not send them to me. And I'm pretty darn sure that if these frames fit your face the way they fit mine, you're going to be very, very happy that you got them, just like I'm happy that I got them.